Hey learners, welcome back to Edu Intern Voyage. Your learning journey starts. If you are a BCom student who wants simple, clear, and reliable study content, subscribe to Edu Intern Voyage, like the videos, and start your learning journey today.
Phenomenal Woman. Author, Maya Angelou. Introduction. Phenomenal Woman is a powerful and inspiring poem by Maya Angelou that celebrates self-confidence, inner strength, and the beauty of womanhood. In this poem, the poet rejects society's narrow standards of physical beauty and asserts that a woman's true power lies in her confidence, grace, and self-belief. Theme of inner beauty. Angelou emphasizes that beauty is not limited to physical appearance. The speaker openly states that she does not fit the traditional model of beauty but still attracts attention and admiration. Her confidence, pride, and positive attitude make her extraordinary. The poem conveys that inner beauty and self-respect are far more important than outward looks. Confidence and self-assertion. A major focus of the poem is self-confidence. The speaker proudly declares herself a phenomenal woman without seeking approval from others. She walks with confidence, smiles with pride, and carries herself with dignity. This confidence confuses and attracts people, especially men, showing the power of self-assurance. Celebration of womanhood. The poem celebrates womanhood in all its forms. Angelou highlights the physical and emotional strength of women through symbolic expressions such as the swing of the hips, the fire in the eyes, and the joy in the feet. These images represent energy, freedom, and independence, reinforcing the idea that women should embrace who they are. Message of empowerment. Phenomenal Woman carries a strong message of female empowerment. Angelou encourages women to accept themselves proudly and resist societal pressure. The poem promotes equality and self-love, especially for women who are often judged by unrealistic beauty standards. Language and style. The language of the poem is simple, rhythmic, and confident. The repeated line "I am a phenomenal woman" acts as a powerful refrain, reinforcing the poem's central idea of pride and empowerment. Conclusion. In conclusion, Phenomenal Woman is a celebration of self-worth and feminine strength. Maya Angelou inspires readers to value confidence, dignity, and inner beauty. The poem remains a timeless message of empowerment for women across all cultures and generations.